dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making chicken stew, and here are our ingredients. The main ingredient here is chicken, and this is one full chicken. And I've got other ingredients here like the spices, and I've got onions, coriander, bell peppers, salt, and here I've got blended tomatoes and some carrots. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start first by boiling our chicken. And I'll be boiling my chicken for 10 minutes. Remember, this is a broiler, not a kienyeji chicken. So it cooks so fast, and I will not be cooking it for long. But first I need to boil it for like 10 minutes. So at this point I just add some salt because I want my chicken to be well seasoned while it is boiling. Remember, we are boiling it for 10 minutes. So I just cover it and let it cook. So it's now 10 minutes down the line, and as you can see, our chicken is boiling nicely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this soup, and I'm gonna use it in the next step of cooking. And at this point our chicken is pre-cooked. On to the next step now. I'm gonna start by frying the onion. I love frying my onions until they are golden brown. So at this point, I'll add the ginger and garlic. And I'll wait until they turn golden brown. So ginger and garlic brings a good aroma to your food, and if you don't add it, you are missing a lot. And for me, I just love it. That's why I always include it in my meal. So at this point, I'm going to add our chicken. Stir it so well to mix with the onion. Remember, I had already pre-cooked my chicken by boiling it. So at this point, I'm going to cook it for like 7 minutes. And in here, I'm also going to add the carrots. Next, I'm going to add our spices. Remember, this is one teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I've got 1 teaspoon of mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then I'll start to mix everything together. So as you watch this video, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will help in growing the channel. So our spices have mixed so well with the chicken, and next I'm going to add the blended tomatoes. One good thing about the blended tomatoes is that they make the stew to be thick. And for those people who don't like the tomato root, you can always blend your tomatoes. So I'll cover this up and let it cook for like 3 minutes, so that I may add the next ingredient. So now at this point, I'm going to add our chicken stew, which I drained from the boiling chicken. And this will make our meal to be more nutritious, more flavorful. I can even smell the spices. They taste so nice. This assures me that my meal is going to be so yummy and delicious. Three more minutes remaining, and I'll just cover the cooking pot. Now the next ingredient I'm going to add is the capsicum, and I don't like my capsicum when it is overcooked, so I'm going to cook it for like a minute. So at this point, I remember I've not added salt, and remember I had added salt to the chicken when I was boiling it, but I have not added it to the stew. So the spices have got some salt, so I'm just going to add like 1 teaspoon of salt. And now just like that, our meal is well cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the gas. And now this is the right time. I'm going to add the coriander. Just have a look at my chicken stew. How it looks so nice, so delicious and yummy. I'm salivating right now. So this is an easy recipe. It doesn't take much of your time, and it will save you a lot of money, a lot of resources, because it is easy to prepare. And we have prepared it with the available ingredients. Remember the spices, as I always say, the spices are totally optional. It's not a must you add them into your meal.
Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, and I can't help but feel